Today, let's delve into the world of Ripple, XRP, and explore its potential value in the ever-evolving crypto and finance landscape. First off, there are various factors that could influence the pricing of XRP, ranging from utility to broader market dynamics. In this video, I want to focus on a hypothetical scenario where nothing major changes in the crypto space, and we reach a certain market cap. The big question is, what would be the actual value of XRP? As we survey the current global landscape, tokenization has taken center stage, with major players in finance acknowledging its significance. The World Economic Forum, as far back as January, highlighted the inevitability of a tokenized economy, envisioning the trade of real-world assets like carbon credits, housing, electricity, government bonds, and more on the blockchain. Considering the projections and discussions around the tokenization of trillions of dollars worth of assets, the potential for growth in the crypto space becomes intriguing. Institutions like the DTCC are already settling massive amounts in securities transactions using distributed ledger technology, DLT. The momentum is building, and the macro view on crypto is becoming increasingly compelling. The discussion often circles back to market cap, with predictions suggesting a $100 trillion asset class for crypto. This is a ballpark figure, and while the exact trajectory is uncertain, the consensus is that significant growth is on the horizon. If we entertain the idea that XRP maintains its current dominance of around 2.5%, and the overall crypto market cap skyrockets to $100 trillion, what could be the value of XRP? In this hypothetical scenario, where dominance levels and rankings remain relatively stable, we could see XRP valued at around $46.95 per coin based on circulating supply, representing a 93x increase at a $25 trillion market cap. Using total supply, it could be valued at approximately $25, reflecting a 49x increase at a $2.5 trillion market cap. Now, it's crucial to emphasize that these figures are speculative and based on a set of assumptions. The speed of crypto adoption, technological advancements, and shifts in market dynamics could alter these predictions. While $100 trillion might seem ambitious, the transformative potential of blockchain and tokenization should not be underestimated. In summary, the value of XRP, and crypto in general, is closely tied to the unfolding narrative of a tokenized future. As the world inches towards embracing this new era of finance and technology, the possibilities for growth become more intriguing. The $100 trillion market cap for crypto is a conversation starter, and while the exact timeline remains uncertain, the trajectory points towards a significant paradigm shift. As always, it's essential to approach these discussions with a degree of realism and acknowledge that the crypto landscape is dynamic and unpredictable. Keep an eye on the trends, stay informed, and, most importantly, enjoy the journey. The latest developments in the world of XRP have sparked significant interest, particularly with the CEOs of Binance allegedly influencing XRP prices. This comes on the heels of a notable upgrade for XRP, positioning it as a global utility asset. The impact of these events on XRP's value is a topic of discussion. As of October 4th, XRP's price is approximately $51, experiencing a marginal 0.01% decrease in the last 24 hours. Its market cap stands at over $7.4 billion, securing its position as the fifth most valuable cryptocurrency. These figures may vary by the time you watch this video. It's crucial to be cautious of scammers in the comments, as the channel does not have a WhatsApp or Telegram presence. To explore the potential for XRP's value surge, 3 key events are highlighted. Firstly, a settlement with the SEC is crucial to alleviate regulatory uncertainties hanging over Ripple. The legal victory in July is seen by some analysts as a partial win, and the possibility of an appeal adds a layer of complexity. Another essential factor is a significant client win in the US market. While XRP has made strides in overseas markets, a notable US bank embracing XRP for cross-border payments or liquidity management is yet to be seen. The absence of such a win limits XRP's potential. Speculation about a Ripple IPO has also contributed to discussions. Some view Ripple as a potential high-profile crypto company going public, akin to Coinbase. However, the ongoing legal disputes with the SEC raise questions about the feasibility and timing of a Ripple IPO. In addition to these factors, the XRP ledger's capability to handle over 293 million transactions daily is emphasized, positioning XRP as a global utility asset. Crypto influencers and analysts remain optimistic about XRP's growth potential, emphasizing its relevance for traditional financial institutions. Recent news also highlights the XRP ledger's upcoming feature updates, aiming to surpass Ethereum as a primary hub for smart contracts. These updates include the implementation of automated market-making liquidity pools, asset control functions, and the incorporation of decentralized identifiers for self-sovereign digital identification. In conclusion, the future of XRP appears promising, with ongoing developments reinforcing its position as a pioneering ledger in real-world blockchain usage. XRP supporters express confidence in holding onto their investments, with discussions centered around long-term belief in Ripple developers and the genuine value of XRP in the evolving cryptocurrency landscape. Breaking news: XRP, the cryptocurrency associated with Ripple, is experiencing a significant surge, currently up 6% according to CoinMarketCap. The catalyst behind this surge is a recent development where a judge rejected the Securities and Exchange Commission's (SEC) motion to appeal the ruling on XRP by declaring it a security. The SEC's repeated legal challenges against XRP have been met with setbacks, leading to speculation and excitement in the crypto community. In a recent video update, the speaker expresses frustration with SEC Chairman Gary Gensler, suggesting that his leadership has been counterproductive to the crypto industry. The rejection of the SEC's motion is seen as a positive development for XRP investors and the broader crypto market. The speaker emphasizes the ongoing resistance from the SEC, which has been reluctant to acknowledge XRP as anything other than a security. The recent legal victory against the SEC is portrayed as a step in the right direction for XRP and the crypto industry, which has faced regulatory uncertainties. The speaker mentions the celebration by Ripple and XRP supporters following the legal win, highlighting the potential impact on XRP's price. The video provides a live update on XRP's price movement, indicating a 6% increase and a surge in trading volume, with the possibility of further gains. Technical analysis using Fibonacci retracement levels is discussed, pointing out key levels such as 57 cents and 65 cents. The speaker cautiously predicts potential price movements, expressing hope for sustained growth and consolidation. The video also touches on the history of XRP's price volatility and the speaker's expectation of a bullish trend, especially if the SEC lawsuit is fully resolved in favor of Ripple. The possibility of XRP reaching $3 or higher in the future is mentioned as a potential outcome. In conclusion, the speaker encourages viewers to share their opinions on XRP's future price movements and expresses optimism about the cryptocurrency's potential for significant gains, especially if regulatory clarity is achieved. The video wraps up with a call to action, asking viewers to like, subscribe, and stay updated on the latest developments in the crypto market. Greetings everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Blitz, your go-to source for all things crypto. I'm your host, Triple Van Winkle. Today, we've got an explosive video in store as we unveil the identities of those mysterious Ethereum whales. Stephen Norov has dropped the bomb, revealing names that will make everything fall into place. Congress seems unable to let Gary Gensler regulate digital assets out of existence. Stay tuned for more on that. Now, let's dive into the highlights. Bitcoin is currently at $27,846, up 2.34% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum is at $1,661, down 1.08%, and USDC has hit $1.01. XRP is holding steady at 51 cents. The total cryptocurrency market cap stands at a whopping $1.099 trillion. Before we get into the juicy details, a quick reminder to sign up for my free newsletter at ripplevanwinkle.com for exclusive crypto insights. Now, let's tackle the Ledger investigation into the alleged hack, a mysterious incident that has the crypto community on edge. Stay tuned for updates as we unravel this crypto thriller. Switching gears, Ethereum futures ETFs had a slow start, with low volume on the first day of trading. Interestingly, USDC has hit the $1.01 mark, marking a significant moment for USDC holders. Is Ethereum on the brink of a major shakeup? We'll explore. In the midst of all this, John Dean has presented a massive thread on the SEC versus Ripple, shedding light on why Ripple was targeted and the underlying motives. Buckle up as we paint the full picture for you. Bitcoin's recent move to surpass $28,000 is crucial, and every move counts toward the next big leap. We'll delve into the details of why this milestone is essential for the crypto market's future. Now, the bombshell Stephen Norov has spilled the beans on Ethereum whales. Names like Vitalik Buterin, Charles Hoskinson, and Brian Kelly have surfaced. The same figures who dismissed concerns as mere conspiracy theories are now in the spotlight. It seems our diligent research has hit a nerve. In the realm of regulations, Congressman Tom Emmer calls out Gary Gensler's overreach and advocates for amendments to limit the SEC's authority. The battle between regulators and the crypto industry intensifies. As we wrap up, keep an eye on the unfolding drama surrounding Stephen Norov, the Ethereum whales, and the SEC's actions against Ripple. The crypto world is in for a wild ride, and we're here to bring you all the latest updates. That's it for now, crypto enthusiasts. Stay informed, stay patient, and remember the bull run is inevitable. Ripple Van Winkle signing off.